Hi everybody, how you doing today? It's Miss Britt from the Ridgewood Public Library, and today I've got a stormy weather story time to share with you. So how about we get started with our hello song? Can you clap along with me? Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the boys, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the girls, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello to the grown-ups, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Great job, very good. Okay, my first book today is called Summer Color. This is by Diana Murray, and the artwork is by Zoe Persico. Summer Color. Ready? The hot summer sun lights the sky like a torch as folks fan themselves on the shady back porch. The sparrows keep chirping a song soft and mellow, and sunflowers reach up with petals so yellow. Mama serves peaches and cold lemonade. It's hard to stay cool, even here in the shade. Daddy and Uncle bring chairs from the shed. Our cousins share ice pops, so swirly and red. But far past our yard and the little stone well, beyond the tall meadow where the quiet deer dwell, and over the hill where the willow trees sway, the clouds in the sky turn a dark shade of gray. The wind starts to stir, a few drops pitter-patter, and critters that creep in the grass quickly scatter. Rain batters down on the blustery scene as cardinals fly into treetops so green. Storm's coming, right? Splashing and splattering, streak after streak, the rain soaks the earth and sweeps over the creek where frogs start to croak and the water snakes slink and wildflowers glisten with petals so pink. It rains on the cliffs where the egrets take flight and down on the waterfall, misty and white. It rains on the lake where the paddle boats rock and drenches the people who fish from the dock. The picnickers pack up their salads and pie and run with their bright purple blankets held high. It rains on the meadow where the cozy mice hide. Then here in our yard as we hurry inside. Our soggy shoes squeak when we race through the door, crowd by the window and watch the rain pour. It falls on the chairs and the swing set out back, on the brown wooden fence and the shed painted black. A flash and a crash fill the thundery sky, but we're snug in our soft orange towels, all dry. The storm drifts away and reveals the bright sun. We head to the yard for some more summer fun. The rain left behind a refreshing, cool breeze and silvery droplets that sparkle on trees, and plenty of puddles for playing in too. And in each reflection, a clear sky of blue. We skip and we jump, we twirl and we dash. Our hot summer day ends with a splash. The end. Good listening, everybody. Great job. Okay, how about we get in our boats and row? Are you ready for this one? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Twist, twist, twist your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Bounce, bounce, bounce your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Big waves in the storm. Sway, sway, sway your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Tickle, tickle, tickle your boat gently down the stream. Tickle, tickle. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good job. Very good. Then how about the itsy bitsy spider? Because he gets washed away by rain too, right? Ready for this one? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Very good. Good job. Okay, my next book is called Stormy Night. This is by Selena Yoon. See the little house? Stormy Night. One stormy night, Bear couldn't sleep. The wind was whirring, the trees were crackling, and the rain was pounding against the windows. Don't worry, said Bear. I'll hold you tight. I'll keep you warm. My love will keep you safe from the storm, he sang to his bunny, Floppy. Bear felt better. But when a thundering sound rumbled through the forest, it startled Bear. He sang his song again. He's hiding under the bed now, isn't he? Mama came in to check on Bear. May I stay with you tonight? I'm so frightened of the storm. Bear was glad to see Mama. He kissed Mama's nose to comfort her. Mama smiled. Bear felt better. Then Papa came in to check on Bear. Is there room for me? The storm is so loud tonight. Bear was glad to see Papa. He tickled Papa's ear to comfort him. Papa laughed, and Bear felt better. But what will make Floppy feel better, thought Bear. I know, a book. This is a very good book. Bear almost forgot about the storm until... boom! A loud crashing sound of thunder roared through the forest. Bear shut his eyes tight. Mama kissed his nose, and Papa tickled his ear. Mama sang to Bear just like she did when he was a little cub. We'll hold you tight, we'll keep you warm, our love will keep you safe from the storm. Bear felt better. Bear yawned a sleepy yawn, and then it was quiet. What happened to the storm? Even storms need their sleep, said Papa. And so do bears. The end. Good listening, everybody. Great job. Okay, so I am going to use my storyboard here. All right, you ready? We're going to have 1 little, 2 little, 3 little, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little, 7 little, let's see. You see all those? 8 little, 9 little, 10 little umbrellas. So the song is 1 little, 2 little, 3 little umbrellas, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little umbrellas, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little umbrellas, 10 little umbrellas up for rain. Then we're going to add some rain. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little, 7, 8, 9, and what comes next? 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little rain clouds, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little rain clouds, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little rain clouds, 10 little rain clouds raining. Good job. Good counting, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today for my stormy weather story time. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I look forward to seeing everybody again soon. Bye.